Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll. I come to you today with the Baby Bubbles arms. Now I've been working on this one here. This one here has a 90 degree, so it gets a little difficult when you're coming into this crease of the arm. And I'm going to hope, I use my bigger Dremel to do a lot of the bigger stuff, but once I start getting into the hands and into this part, I have to look at it differently. And I might be able to use my smaller stilo to get into some of this, but I may have to pick it out with my knife. Somebody asked me what kind of a knife do I use. This is an X-Acto knife. It unscrews and you can take your blade in and out as you need to. I use this blade right now because I've dedicated it to my milliput. I do have other blades that go in here, and if I need to do any great cutting or whatever without milliput or whatnot, I can put those blades in. But I use it also for picking away at the hand area, like into other areas like this right here. I don't like using my my Dremels, because it will take out accent places in here. So it's all about chipping this away slowly and not trying to lose those accent parts. What do I mean by an accent? Well, we have little knuckle marks going across here. We have fingernails that we want to deal with. I did go up the side, but that's as far as I'll go for right now. We don't want to lose any of the little little indents of the bending of the knuckles of the hands here. So we want those little dimples to stay there with us. So Dremels have a way of smoothing that right out, and you don't want to do that. So right now, what I'll be doing, not right now, but as I go along, I will be just sitting here and just chipping this away. And that's what you do. Just chip the paint out. It's slow and it's methodical work, but it's worth it in the end to make sure that your doll you just want to flick some of that paint out that's in there. And if I do leave any type of little digs from my knife, that's fine. I'll get rid of it with some of my I almost said it, the stuff I smooth on there with. Oh, spackling. I almost forgot what it was called. But anyways, there we go. And I just get down in here and I'm just going to clean up around just a lot of this area in here. The dryer's on right now. I've got the wool from the dog in there right now, and it's taken over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug this here. For some reason I'm sitting on it. Okay, and my foot's wrapped around it. There we go. Alright, so we're going to unplug the big guy, the Dremel 100. We're going to plug in the stilo now. Okay, let's do this. There we go. And I'm going to work on in this area in here. Let's see how well I can do. It's more like tapping it, not running it across. The only reason I'm not doing inside the shop there is that I got Shirley Temple's wig going and I don't want the dust to fly onto it. So we're doing it underneath the red canopy. It's just like little taps I'm doing on it. You gotta be careful. You don't want to sand the wood. Gotta be careful here now. I'm trying to get ready to that fold. So you can see I got it down quite a bit now. Okay, I want to be careful now because that fold is terrible. All right, that little fold right in there is where it's getting a little sticky. All right, I'm not going to get in there any more than what I have already. Now I'm going to have to get really, I don't know if I want to pick at that or not. Okay, I've got some other things, methods I might try. I'm going to go up camera and just try something because I don't want to give bad ideas out. This might be the better way of doing it. If it works, then I'll show you it. Not a problem. I'm okay with that if that's the way I got to do it. Now this is a little bit smaller, or is it? No, that's the same size, so I'm not going to get any smaller as far as sanding wise. I'll get back to you. I'm going to see about trying a few things out. So stay tuned. I'll show you what works and what doesn't when you get into little problems like this. In the crevice of the arm like that, you can see that paint is just stuck right in that. See, it's like a 90 degree. And getting that out is what you need to do. Okay, thanks again for joining me. I'll be back. Bye-bye.